Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to check Android phone activation date. So the first thing you have to do here is that you have to open up your Google account settings. You can click on to the Play Store, then you have to click onto your profile icon and then click on manage your Google account. Once you tap onto it, it will take you to your account where you will see these different options. Here from there, you have to click on security, and after that you have to simply search for the devices on which you're logged in. For that you can either click onto the devices or you can scroll down. There you will see the different devices where you have been logged in. You just have to simply click onto it, and then you have to choose your current device, the mobile you're using, and after that there you will see when did you logged in with your account. First, it will ask you to enter the pin or maybe fingerprints. Once you do so, you will see it says first sign in and it will show you the date. So it doesn't show the exact date when the phone activated, but if you have been using the same ID since the day one, then you will get the idea. So that's how you can find out when your phone was activated. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.